in this video, I will be showing you all how much money I made in February and also in March. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Hey yo, what's good man YouTube? It's your boy here, Dollar Vlogs, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. Man, it's been a while since I last uploaded my last video, man. But anyway, yeah, today y'all know I'm in school, so making videos is really hard because you don't have time, and you know, grade 11 you don't have time. So basically in today's video I will be showing y'all how much I made in February, because I promised y'all the video back in my other video when I was showing y'all I think the video was posted somewhere around the 4th of February, somewhere the 6th of before the 10th of February. I posted a video of how much I made, how much money I've made so far. So basically today that'll be like a sort of a part 2 of how much money I made on YouTube in February and how much money I made in my first 2 months of monetization. So yeah, that is the video which we'll be doing today. So make sure if you are new that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I drop bangers you are actually the first to be notified. Man, I don't know where the confidence is coming from, but anyways guys, yeah, it's been your boy Dollar Vlogs, and let's get into this video. Guys, you might be asking yourselves, why is Dollar so hyped up for this video? Man, that is because of one reason: this little man right here. If y'all know what this does, guys, basically this is the Google Adsense pin. So they send us to your address to verify that you live where you stated that you live. So basically I got this I think 3 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I was gonna show y'all how it looks inside, but due to security reasons I'm not supposed to show y'all, so you'll only see this when you are monetized. Just kidding guys. But anyways guys, yeah man, as y'all can see, there's my desktop over there. I'm gonna go get my laptop so we can start with this whole video. So basically I'll be showing y'all how much money I made, and I know some of y'all are so excited to see how much money we made in March. And since in January we didn't accumulate enough income to actually withdraw the money, so how it works guys is that the money you make in January, YouTube will pay you the money on the 21st of March or 21st of February. But if you haven't reached the threshold, which is $100, but I don't know, because for some reason my threshold is 1,000 rand. Let me show y'all if we have reached that threshold or not. But anyways, yeah guys, you have to reach 1,000 rand in South Africa if I'm not mistaken, because that's my threshold. That's what my Google AdSense shows me. But yeah, let me show y'all how much money we made in. Oh, didn't see you right there. You know it's your boy, your Dollar Vlogs. But anyways guys, yeah, let me get into my YouTube studio and let me show y'all how much money we've been making. Yo, so I've just got my laptop hooked up right there, and I'm ready to show y'all how much money we've made in in February. So if you look at the screen right now, y'all can see that I actually ended up making 399 in January. So basically the video you're seeing right now is how much money I made in February. So then we're going to add February's earnings with March's earnings. So yeah, let's do that. But anyways guys, let's sort that to custom, and then we go from January to the end of okay, that is January, yes, to the end of February. So drum roll.
Really, nigga?
Hey, you know the vibes. As y'all can see, we have surpassed the 1,000 rand mark. So guys, as y'all can see, we had 17,883 views in January and February. We had 939 watch hours and 691 subscribers. Your estimated revenue, 1,000 rand. So if you filter this guys to only February, let's see how much we made in February. So compared to to January, guys, y'all can see that in February our revenue actually multiplied by 2. And the reason why is because I uploaded more videos in February, and this March I think it's about to go down, guys. It's about to go down, man. Y'all can see I'm not uploading, guys. No, this is not good, guys. Because last week I was consistent, but this week, guys, we're back to school every single day. Do you know the pain? Do you know the pain, guys? But anyways, yeah, man, I can't afford to make a video every day, grade level. Do you know how accounting is? Accounting and pure math, guys. Y'all can already see the accounting, pure math, and then you wanna do YouTube. Where are you going to get the time? Where? So I'm trying to squeeze that in for y'all. You see, today I just came back from school. I felt energetic, man, and I'm like, ooh, I'm definitely creating a video for y'all. But anyways, yeah, guys, I'm not going to be showing y'all much earnings because this video is in fact recorded on the 16th of March, as y'all can see right there. And yeah, man, it's 4:40 right now, and I just came back from school, so it's recorded on the 16th of March. I am definitely going to be uploading it tomorrow, so I'm going to be doing everything today just so that this week I don't have to worry about anything. I'm trying to at least upload 1 video per week because I won't be able to upload 2 videos per week due to grade 11. So I'm trying to, if I can, I will squeeze 2 videos for y'all. But anyways, guys, you know, it's a dollar vlogs, you know the vibes, you know, for the vibes, G. But anyways, yeah, guys, that was my earnings so far. I won't show y'all how much I made in March because let's go with the normal tone, which dollar vlogs always makes. Guys, I won't show y'all my March earnings, that is because I'm just kidding, guys. I won't show y'all my March earnings because that will be for another video, and y'all will see that how it has basically. Let me not spoil it for y'all. But anyways, guys, yeah, y'all will see it in the next video, and go watch my other videos. Make sure you make me some income so that in the next video it's actually more. You know the vibes. Yeah, man. But go watch my other videos, and yeah, they're entertaining, especially my most recent videos. Those are the entertaining ones. But anyway, guys, it's been your boy here, Dollar Vlogs, and I'm really happy that I actually made this video because yeah, I've been wanting to make this video. And KidMix underscore TV, I think that is his channel. I know for a fact that he is KidmixTV, but I don't know the exact. I'm gonna put a screenshot here. Please, guys, please go subscribe to this guy right here, please, guys. Okay, yeah, it's KidMix underscore TV. Y'all can see, as y'all can see by this screenshot, he has 93 subscribers, guys. And yeah, his most recent video is fetching my matric results. Guys, yo, you must watch this video, guys. You must watch this video. But the one I liked, guys, Freshman's Guide to High School Part 2. That video. KidMix. Go, please, guys, please. Now. Somewhere unsubscribe if you're not gonna do this. But now, go right now while you are watching this video. Go subscribe to KidMix, guys. KidMix, Ghana, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, you are going to blow up on YouTube. And when you blow up, I wanna see you, bro. I wanna see you there. But anyways, guys, please, guys, I really support small channels, guys. So I'm trying to get us up there, man. You know the vibes. As y'all know, YouTube is coming to South Africa. Is becoming a career in South Africa. There's KidMix. He joined the gang, man. Go subscribe, man. If you're not gonna subscribe, then it's your own problem because you will be missing out on great content. But anyways, guys, it's been your boy Dollar Vlogs, and thanks for watching this video. Even though it was long, I don't know if it will be long after editing, but it will definitely be longer than 8 minutes because I'm trying to get that cash. But anyways, it's been your boy Dollar Vlogs. Yeah, and we're signing out. 3, 2, 1. It's been your boy Dollar Vlogs signing out. Peace.